hair feels like sandpaper and I don't know why, I just woke up with it. So I've literally put it in like a half up, half down sort of do it, and we're just gonna roll with it even though I look absolutely disgusting. Hi guys, welcome to this week's video. So basically I had a little cheeky spend in Superdrug and I got loads of like cute little bits for like makeup, just like little treats and a few couple essentials, and I thought why not show you guys what I bought in this video, because I love a good old school haul, especially when it comes to drugstore stuff and especially when it comes to cheap affordable makeup and bits and bobs like that. So again, I'm taking it old school YouTube and I'm going to show you guys what I picked up in Superdrug, and there's a lot in this lovely bag of pinkness. I definitely didn't need a lot of this, but I definitely really wanted it, and yeah, so if you guys like this sort of video, do let me know, give it a thumbs up as well, and yeah, let's get into the video. So I'm going to start with the boring things because I actually needed them, and I found my congratulations, you won 100 points voucher. Yay! I got £1 on my card, my health and beauty card. I love it. I'm trying to be sarcastic because it's so hard to get points on a Superdrug card. But anyway, boring bits first. I picked up the Soleil by Superdrug 30 SPF High Moisturising Sun Lotion because I needed something, and I've been sitting out in the sun a lot, and I don't know if you guys can see, I got a cute little tan line there, but I do admit I burnt my chest, so that was red for about 2 days, and then it went to a really nice tan. So I thought I better invest in an actual SPF to protect myself, and this one is actually tan activating because it's got something called melano bronze, and it's supposed to help enhance the skin's natural tanning process, so that was a must. Another thing I got was a hand sanitizer, hand gel thing, because I am one of those people who, if they go in the bath before they eat, if they've cleaned something, I will put hand gel on, and maybe that's why my hands are really dry like sandpaper, just like my hair. But I picked this one because it was 99p in special offer, and it's actually a fun addition. And this is strawberry laces, and I've not actually smelled this yet, so let's give it a whirl. Oh my god! Through the antibacterial stuff, you can actually smell that strawberry laces. That is amazing, and I carry this with me everywhere, so this is going in my drawer until I finish my other one. Another boring thing is my concealer, which is from Revolution. It is the Conceal and Define Full Coverage Conceal and Contour. FYI, these are like vegan and cruelty free, and so is this. It says cruelty free and vegan, which is amazing, and it's only £4. I use the colour C2. It's amazing at full coverage, and ever since 17's been discontinued, I have found a new love of my life with this, and I do admit it does run out pretty fast, like it lasts about a month and a half, 2 months, but £4 you can't complain, and it's definitely a dupe, even though I've never tried it, but it's the tart shape tape I think, so yeah, you are saving a lot of money by getting this, which is really good, and a lot of people understand how good it is because every time I go and stock up, most of them are gone still. Now on to the fun bits and bobs. I actually got 3 for 2 with this, so I picked up 2 other bits, and this is another Revolution product. I should really have taken the packaging off. That was really easy to take off. So if you guys know, I bought the Soph X Extra Spice palette, and I did a whole video on it, which was my first impressions, which I'll leave as a card here, and I thought I'd go back and buy one of her lipsticks because she brought out 3 along with the palette this time, and I wanted to get something like a nude, sort of like L'Oreal / MAC, but more affordable. So I got the Sofx one in Cake, and this is a really lovely nude. And I actually read a blog post from a girl called Lucy, whose blog is Flower September, and she said this is a really good affordable dupe for the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk, I think she said. And this is a beautiful nude. It's not matte, it's quite creamy, and I can't wait to try it. And the cute thing is there's soap embossed on it. Let me show you. If you guys can see, look how cool that is. And it's amazing, cute packaging, rose gold and nude, which I absolutely love. I mean, it looks like you don't get a lot of product, but I know this is going to be my go-to, and I'm super excited to try it. Plus the name Cake just sounds really, really nice. And the other thing I bought to try out, because I've seen in the past a lot of YouTubers do collaborations with this company and do like tutorials, but the whole video is about this brand, and that is the Impress Press-On Manicure one-step gel with no glue needed. So I thought I'd try these because I'm really trying to grow my nails and have nice nails, but because I work a lot and it's like physical work and my nails keep splitting, so I thought I'd treat myself, and I got one in sort of like a metallic gold, foil gold, with like glittery gold nails. And what is the name of this one? Symphony, which is quite cute. So they just look like this, and I'm super excited to put them on my nails and see what they look like. And I'm absolutely loving gold at the moment, especially sort of like a rose gold tinted sort of style, and these are perfect especially for the summer. I hope they let the tan I've got on my hands and arms pop a bit, so I will probably do these after I finish filming, which I'm very excited about. And you do get 30 nails in here, so hopefully there's more than one usage out of these, because they were expensive. I think they're like $7.99, which is quite a lot. And the other thing I bought was this shower gel. So I am absolutely in love with Original Source at the moment. Not only is it natural, vegan and tested on us, it is a really nice moisturising shower milk. I have the green banana and bamboo milk one, which smells like banana, very sweet, and I thought I'd just pick up the cherry and almond milk, which a lot of people said smells like baked tart. Oh my god, it does. It actually does, like, that is incredible. Oh my god, I'm so happy I picked this one up, because there was like other ones like apple and stuff, but this would be perfect summer. And this was £2 something, £2.39 I want to say, but they're doing 2 for £3 in Superdrug at the moment, but I didn't go for that. But yeah, definitely try these because they're really moisturising, like really good. So great alternative to Lush. And the last bits I picked up. So if you guys read my blog posts recently, you will know that I've been loving the Zoella Beauty / Botanics range, and I did like rave to death about her products in my previous video, which was June favourites, and I decided to pick up the other 3 products I didn't get. So there's 6 products in total, I think, or 7. I think there's a makeup bag, but I don't want that because I've got too many. So I was sticking to the actual products, and I picked up the other 3. So at the moment I've got the bubble bath, the shower moisturising body wash and the mist, and I picked up the bath milk powder called Good Love, and Quench Me body sorbet, and the So Soft lip oil, which Zoe has been raving about, and she really wants to do one of these. And I love the packaging, it's super cute, and I can't wait to give this a go because she says it's incredible. A lot of people said that, and I love the scent so much, I just want it on my body all day, not just in the bath and shower. So I got the body sorbet, and oh my god, it is so fresh and floral and leafy at the same time. I absolutely love it, and the packaging as well is so photogenic, like honestly, and I can't wait to use this because it's supposed to be a moisturising bath milk powder, and yeah, I'm just super happy. I can't wait to take flat lays with these as well. And Yeah, let me just show you a close-up of this because I'm in love with this freaking packaging. I mean, just look at the leaf and the pink. This is like my actual aesthetic and I just can't wait to use it. The bag is now empty and that is everything I treated myself to in Superdrug. So, not a lot by anybody else's standards probably, but £33.31 is a lot for me to spend in Superdrug. And I'm super happy with what I picked up. If you guys did enjoy this video, again, do give it a thumbs up, subscribe and click the notification bell below to get updates for next upload. I do upload every single Friday, so do keep an eye out for next week's video, which hopefully will be a makeup look. I hope you guys have an amazing rest of the week. Enjoy the sun while it lasts and the heat, because it's still like 30 degrees in London, which I'm living for but also don't because I constantly feel tired. Anyway, have a good weekend and I will see you next time.